Determine the x values for which the radical expression would produce a real number. This is just another way of asking us to find the domain of these expressions. So here we go. In this first one, we want to make sure that x plus 4 is greater than or equal to 0, which means that x must be greater than or equal to negative 4. In set builder notation, we have the set of all x's such that x is greater than or equal to negative 4. Now in this next problem, notice that the index is odd. Because this is an odd indiced radical, basically there are no restrictions on the domain. We are allowed to have negatives both inside and outside of an odd indiced radical. So this time, the set for which this expression will produce a real number is all real numbers. In this next problem, we have two inequalities joined by the word and, so let's solve each of these separately. Subtracting 7 from each side, we get negative 18 is less than 6y, and 6y is less than negative 12. We then want to divide each side by 6, and we will have negative 3 is less than y, and y is less than negative 2. We have two inequalities which now can be joined together. This gives us negative 3 is less than y is less than negative 2. And written in interval notation, this is the interval from negative 3 to negative 2, where we do not include either of the endpoints.